Okay, so why states are not happy after GST reforms? Understand, before GST, states had their own taxation powers. That means they had the powers to increase or decrease tax rates. Now, after GST, that power is in the hands of GST Council. Now, recently, the central government announced that they are going to simplify the GST structure. States are saying that because of this simplification, they are going to lose revenue. And that's why they are demanding compensation. See, initially, when GST was introduced, there was a provision of compensation for 5 years. What was the provision? That if the revenue growth rate of the states is going to be less than 14%, central government is going to compensate the states for that. Let's simplify it. Let's say the revenue this year was 100 rupee. Next year, ideally, it should be more than 114. If it is not that, that means the central government is going to compensate the states. How central government will arrange this money? For that purpose, GST compensation cess was imposed. Cess is imposed for a specific purpose. What is the purpose here? Purpose is to compensate the states. So central government is going to impose GST compensation cess, will collect the money and will compensate those states who faced revenue loss because of GST. So initially, it was operational for the first 5 years, that is from 2017, the year in which GST was introduced, till 2022. Now, states are saying because of these recent GST reforms, we are going to lose revenue and therefore please give us compensation. So, that is one criticism of recent GST reforms by the states. Second criticism is that please remember one thing, the cess and surcharge amount which is collected by the central government, that is not shared, or in a very simple sense, that is not part of divisible pool. So what is the demand of the states? States are saying that either include this into the divisible pool or make a limit of this. What happens is that central government is collecting a lot of money through cess and surcharge, but it is not being shared with the states. Now, what is this divisible pool? In a very simple sense, the pool from which central government is going to share money to the states. So these are two major issues related to GST reform.